Hello everyone. I hope you are doing well. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create student ID cards in bulk using the print merge feature in CorelDRAW. First, create a data file in Microsoft Excel. In this file, add different fields such as student name, number, image path. Open the folder where the student image is located. Hold down the Shift key and right-click on the image. Click Copy as path. The image path will be copied to the clipboard. Paste this path into the image path column in Excel. After entering all the data, save the Excel file in CSV format. Now open CorelDRAW and load the pre-designed student ID card. This design will be used to insert the student's data. Click on the File menu. Select Print Merge. Click on Create/Load Print Merge. A dialog box will appear. Click Import Data Source. Select your CSV data file and click Open. If no changes are required, click Continue. Another dialog box will open. Select a data field. Click Insert Field. Position the field correctly on the ID card. Repeat this process for all remaining fields and adjust their placement as needed. To insert images, click on the image object in the design. Select the field where the image path is stored. Open the image location from the first record. Select the image and click Open. Click Insert Field. Now click on the image placeholder and use Power Clip to fit the image properly inside the frame. Next, we will generate a QR code using the student's cell phone number. Select the QR code option. In field type, choose phone number. In field, select cell phone hashtag. Click Insert Field. The QR code will be generated automatically. Adjust its size and position as required. Now adjust size, font color, text alignment, field positioning. Once everything looks perfect, click Create Merge Document. Within a few moments, all student ID cards will be generated automatically. As you can see, all ID cards are now correctly created and well aligned. You can still make final adjustments if needed and then print the cards easily. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel, like the video, share it with others. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.